For stretch text effect, you will first select the type tool and type your text and do specific adjustments to it. Go to Effects panel, search for Transform and drag it onto your text layer. In Effect Controls, uncheck Uniform Scale, set Scale Width to 1 and add a keyframe. Move 3 frames forward and set the value to 125. Move 3 frames forward again and reset the value to 100. Now uncheck Use Composition Shutter Angle and set the shutter angle to 360. Next, add a keyframe to opacity at the start and set it to 0. Move 2 frames forward and set it to 100. Select all keyframes, right-click and apply Ease In and Ease Out. And that's it. Your stretch text effect is ready.